morning, everyone. I am going to talk a little bit about these amazing pan pastels that I have been painting with and shading with for the last week on my projects. And I've had so many people ask me about these things. So I just wanted to talk a little bit more about them so you can kind of see why they're such a big deal. First of all, the packaging is amazing. These canisters all screw together, so these travel really well, which is amazing. They all screw together, totally cool. When you buy the kit, they come with some of these sponges, which these deep ones you can use for storage. These applicators. And then you also get 2 of these. I mean, these really more are for paper artists, I believe. I mean, I don't know that I would use these except for maybe these 2 here. I mean, you can see these go on really nicely. They're really snug and really quality material. So, I mean, I guess you maybe could apply these on the ceramics, but I haven't used these, obviously. So anyway, and then let's talk about the pastels because they are amazing. The pigmentation is just off the charts. The amount that you get in these little containers is just really, it's a lot. I mean, this is going to last a really long time. I mean, look at this. Look at these pigments. Let's just show you. I mean, look at that. Look at that. It's still, I mean, the pigmentation is just amazing. And that's why I say if you make a mistake and you wipe it off, it's going to come off a little bit, but it's still going to leave, you know, a good amount of color on there. So that's why you really want to use a very minimal amount of powder when you're applying it to your pieces. So let's talk about the brushes. I use really mostly rounds, and I have a couple of absolute favorites that I buy that I use all the time, which are these 3 here. And this one is a Winsor & Newton Cotman brush, number 1. It's a watercolor brush, it says. And then this is a plaid round number 3 brush, and it's got a number on it, 44278. You can see the bristles are just a little bit longer on this one. And then this is a number 1 fine touch round. I think this came in a kit, maybe from Hobby Lobby. And then basically these are just the Michaels brand Craft Smart brushes that you get in those multi-packs. They're inexpensive and they work really well for pastels because the bristles are really soft. So you just want to make sure you're using ultra soft bristles when you're using pastels. And then we can talk about the concentration of this stuff. I mean, I guess I'll use this one because I don't know that I'll use this, but this is some craft paper, tan tone paper. And then of course black. Wow. Sorry. That's insane. Look at that. Amazing. So that is why I love these things. Just incredible concentration and pigmentation of the powder. And you see, I mean, you barely have to use any powder at all here. That's pretty awesome. Anyway, I will put the link to the description. I bought a starter kit. I think it's had 20 of these little containers plus all the applicators. And these, I think it was around $79 on dickblick.com, which, yes, I've bought a ton of stuff from there. I had some people comment whether it was a legit site because the prices were so cheap. Yes, it's a legit site and I shop there often. And also I wanted to just tell you guys that I'm not a paid spokesperson for PanPastels at all. I just absolutely love the products. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about the pastels or want to see more videos like this, just leave a comment. Have a good day.